Today's I will start the fourth experiment of hospital and clinical pharmacy. Title: Today's practical is to find out the stability of dextrose for preparation of transfusion fluids by using standard. Transfusion means what? The act or process of transfusing medicine or medical, the direct transferring of blood, plasma of the like or the like into the blood vessel. Transfusion fluid, the process of passing a fluid as a blood into a vein of a person's or animals. The act of giving something a fresh supply. The club needs a transfusion of new materials. Okay. Then prior concept, dextrose and its types. Dextrose means what? Dextrose is the name of simple sugar that is made from corn and is chemically identical to glucose or blood sugar. Dextrose is often used in baking products as a sweeteners and can be commonly found in the terms items such as processed foods and corn syrup. Then types of dextrose. What is the type of dextrose? First is dextrose monohydrous and second is dextrose anhydrous. Then next is new concept. First proposition. Proposition method of testing. Then learning objective. Intellectual skill to understand the concept of suitability test. And second is to interpret the result. Then motor skill. Motor skill, ability to observe the intensity of color. Then next point is apparatus, glasswares and chemicals. Glasswares, a pair of Nesler cylinders. Nesler cylinders about the 50 ml. Then next is pipette and measuring cylinder. Then chemicals, dextrose, cobalt chloride CS, then cobalt chloride CS and ferric chloride and purified water. Then next is stepwise procedure. Color is defined as the perception or subjective response by an observer to the objective stimulus or radiant energy into the visible spectrum extending over the range of 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer in a wavelength. Visible spectrum wavelength range is 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer in wavelength. Then next is achromosity. Achromosity means what? Achromosity or colorlessness is one extreme of any color scale for an transmission of light. It implies complete absence of color. Then firstly take a pair of Nesler cylinder. Then in one of them prepare a sodium solution of dextrose by dissolving 25 gram of the dextrose in purified water up to the mark of 50 ml. And these are the sample solution. Then in a 10 ml measuring cylinder mix 1 ml of cobalt chloride colorimetric solution, then 2 ml of copper sulfate colorimetric solution and 3 ml of ferric chloride colorimetric solution and sufficient quantity of water up to 10 ml. Up to 10 ml. Then next is take a 3 ml of this standard solution into a second Nesler cylinder and dilute it up to the 50 ml with purified water, and these are the standard solution. Then cobalt chloride, copper sulfate and ferric chloride colorimetric solution are prepared as per IP 1985 volume 2nd appendix 144. मी तर स्टेप वाईज प्रोसिजरमध्ये काय सांगितलं आहे, फर्स्टली टेक अ नेझल सिलेंडर. मग फर्स्ट सोल्युशन ॲड अ डेक्स्ट्रोज, डिझॉल्व द डेक्स्ट्रोज 25 ग्रॅम in purified water up to the 50 ml. Then 10 ml measuring then next is 10 ml measuring cylinder, mix 1 ml of cobalt chloride colorimetric solution, then add 2 ml copper sulfate, then add 3 ml of ferric chloride colorimeter solution and sufficient quantity of water up to the 10 ml. Then in second 3 ml of standard solution into the second nozzler cylinder and dilute it up to the 50 ml with purified water, and these are the standard solution. Then next is observation table. Here are the observation table. After the 5 minutes, observe the both nozzle cylinders of intensity of the color. First is nozzle cylinders and second is observation of color, dark or light brown. Then first cylinder sample and second cylinder standard. मग ते ऑब्झर्व करायचं, कलरलेस की लाईट ब्राऊन कलर. ऑब्झर्व इट both nozzle cylinders. Then last is result. Interpretation of result is done as follows. Then intensity of color of sample is less or than standard solution, less or more than standard solution, hence the sample of dextrose complies or does not comply as per IP 1985. If sample are complies, then write down the sample is compliant. If does not complies, write here the does not complies. Dextrose or does not complies as per IP 1985. Okay. Now here are the questions of experiment number 4. You are able to answer this question. Okay. First is give the range of visible spectrum. What is the range of visible spectrum? 400 to 700 nanometer wavelength. Okay, nanometer in wavelength. Then next is explain the achromatopsia. Achromatopsia is the colorless is one extreme of any color scale for transmission of light if implies complete absence of color. Then next is give the two precautions. Why it is essential to perform stability test of dextrose. Give two reasons. Dextrose is used for the preparation of transfusion fluid. Then it is directly administered into the nozzle routes, which may be produce hazardous effect on the body. Check it suitable or not. Then second is dextrose do not sufficient pure check the impurity, so essential perform suitability test. Then next is give the two precautions while performing suitability test for dextrose. Then dextrose do not sufficient pure check the impurity, so essential perform suitability test. Then precaution is to maintain aseptic condition, and second is sample should be pure. Then fifth is state types of dextrose according to IP. First dextrose monohydrous and next second is dextrose anhydrous. As like answer all these questions one by one. Already discussed in today's practical. Thank you.